So just a quick video today. I'm just putting a bunch of parts on the quad. I got all these parts right here, some Nerf bars, electrical shit, whatever, I'm just gonna bolt those out of the quad real quick, but I'm gonna do a couple time lapses. First one being getting all this crap out of the way so I have room to work. So shed's definitely a lot cleaner now. Got a lot more room. I'm gonna start unboxing shit, move the quad out of the way, get it cleaned up and everything, and continue with the video. So yeah, just to give you guys an idea of how long this quad's been sitting, it's got a nice layer of dust on it. And might be a little hard to tell. Oh no, you can tell pretty well. It's got a nice flat spot right there on the front tire and on the rear tire over here somewhere as well. But yeah, just cobwebs and shit. It's just been sitting for months. So I'm gonna get started. So I didn't film it, but well, I did film it. I got the tires filled up. It rolls a lot better now. I'm gonna rinse it off just in a little bit. I got new Nerf bars I'm gonna put on. I got the new relays put in. It went pretty smoothly so far, but battery's dead, and I knew that. So I gotta charge it up now and see if it'll start. If it starts, I'm gonna rinse it off real good and get the new Nerf bars on, so I don't run my feet over anymore. But yeah. Think it's gonna work? No, I don't think it's gonna work either. So it's a couple weeks later. The charging didn't work. Turns out I needed a new stator and regulator. I replaced all that stuff, and I finally got the gasket in yesterday. I'm gonna put the gasket on now. So I finally sealed it up, put oil in it, got the Nerf bars on, got the rear grab bar back on, new headlights in. So hopefully in about 40 minutes or so I should have this thing running. And Hunter got some numbers for his bike. I think I did a pretty good job. And also got the 110 back. Finally got the tube fixed, so that's been fun. So basically everything's running except this 100 and this 100, but hopefully pretty soon we'll have both of those up. But as for right now, everything's pretty good. So I ended up selling the quad because I got sick of it, and I bought a 300EX instead. Real quick, all I really did so far, I took that stupid handguard off and I moved the key to the side. This thing's pretty solid. Sold the 110 as well. But yeah, other than that, I've been riding the big bike more. Hunter's got the low bike still. We're getting this thing fixed. This should be done pretty soon, which that's pretty cool. Other than that, we're getting a machine. We're going to be doing stuff on the track, getting that done, making jumps bigger, and it should be pretty cool. Lazy. First time hitting it, I know he loves it.
You guys are ruining nature.
We are nature.